Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our EquatePlus Employee Account. So let's get started. So to log into your EquatePlus Employee Account, what you have to do is first of all open up a browser. So after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for EquatePlus Employee Login. And after searching for that, now you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just scroll down and then tap on this first option, which is from EquatePlus Employee Share Plan. And now what you can do is just enter your user ID. So just simply enter your user ID, and after entering your user ID you can just tap on continue, and after tapping on continue you have to enter your account's password. So after entering your account's password you can just tap on login, and after tapping on login you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, what you can do is just simply head over to your forgot password and then just reset or recover your password by tapping on it. So by tapping on that password you can just reset or recover your account's password and then create a new password for your account. And after creating a new password for your account, what you can do is just come back to this login page and just enter the new password that you have created. So after entering the new password that you have created, what you can do is just simply tap on login, and after tapping on login you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your EquatePlus Employee Account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.